Pretty good, man.
It's Sunday afternoon and we're hanging out in downtown Reno. We're gonna do some street photography. I'm here with Albert, and I guess we're waiting for Jay and Christian. How you been, dude?
I've been good, man. Got the new camera out, gonna test it out.
Oh wait, you got a new camera?
Yeah.
What?
New to me.
All right. Well, what is it? What is it?
Yes,
Is this a surprise?
610.
Let's see.
This is 610, man. Ooh. Boom.
Woo.
Finally moving up.
Moving up in the world.
Away from the crop sensor to all the full frame.
Is that full frame?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So,
What lenses you got?
Just these two. I'm gonna try out the 50 today.
What'd you bring? You got a...
Weird.
Little Nikkor mat.
Oh, okay. Yeah, how many cameras do you have?
That's the film one you're talking about.
Two. Oh, I got a lot of cameras. It's not even like. I was thinking
How
about
many?
bringing my medium format.
Is this many, at least? Okay, you gotta count with two hands? Oh shit. Jay's more of a purist photographer. Look at that, very hipster.
very hipster.
very hipster, you know? So what do you think is the difference between shooting film and digital, dude?
You need to know more.
Yeah, you
With
definitely
film?
gotta,
Yeah.
you're gonna be picky with your shots
You
too.
need to know your shit.
But yeah, I definitely gotta try shooting film though.
Well, we'll do it next week, right?
Yeah, next week we're gonna do a
Medium
challenge.
format.
Medium
film
format film challenge.
with like a 1960s.
1960? Oh shit.
C330.
Hell of years ago.
Yep.
Older than me. Way older than us.
I don't know if it's gonna be like a challenge. I think the challenge is. To
I mean, the
ourselves
challenge itself is like
to
the
make
actual.
sure that we get it right.
to actually get good shots out of it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's already challenging enough for me because I don't know how to use it.
I've gained like this whole new respect for like photography because it's so much fucking harder, and you have to know.
It really
everything.
is, dude. Because like you actually have to like think and plan your shots. You can't just
Yeah.
like, because these days you basically kind of just shoot whatever. Like
And then like keep shooting until it's
yeah,
right.
exactly.
Yeah. And it's like $1 a shot.
Yeah,
so
it's
not just
it's very expensive.
yeah.
Is this your version of high level production, man? You gotta step up a little bit.
I gotta step it up, you know, I gotta let them know.
Bro, whoa. Aw, so cute.
Oliver.
Camera shy?
No, not at all. He has his own Instagram. Here, Oliver.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Sure to tag
Oliver
him.
got his own Instagram?
Yeah.
You gotta tag
That
it.
is awesome.
Oh, he's a little sticker. Come on. Here. They're so smart.
Yeah, apparently they're really smart.
They're so smart. Yeah. It looks like food motivated. Oh yes, they are very manipulative. Like dogs want to make you happy, and pigs want to trick you into making them happy. Yeah, they're so yeah.
So they're kind of like cats.
Yeah. Yes. Except for a little bit more friendly.
So does the tail wag mean happy?
Oh yeah, he's super happy.
Yeah.
He's glad we're outside.
That is awesome.
Hi.
He's like, "Do you have treats?"
Hi. Oh.
He won't bite.
I don't
He-
have
He
treats.
won't bite.
Oh no, I was like, oh no, I don't have treats.
That's cool. Pigs are cute.
Alternative to cats and dogs. Can't decide.
Exactly.
Choose a pig.
Where'd you guys park?
I'm straight ahead.
I thought
I
that
guess-
was yours.
I guess we can walk that way. You guys want to cross?
Alright.
Oh, where'd you?
Yeah.
I'm over there, guys.
Oh shit.
Alright.
Alright, man.
See you later, dude.
See you later.
Good hanging.
Okay, that's a wrap for street photography.
/ videography.
Doing a little bit of vlogging, had pizza. Alright, well, that's it. Peace.
Peace.